Haji Shafik Sekande yahamye kandi yagira ngo bakatunga oda ku rwo Ministry y'Ubugwerezi yaragira ngo umwanya wo gukinga ngo empunjuzo mu settlements kandi zaba zitabasize zigarucho wabo DRC.
I have flagged off for buses which have taken 647 refugees whom we have relocated from Nyakabande Transit Center to Nachivale Refugee Settlement. We want to thank them for cooperating, and this is the convoy 48. From March to now, we have so far relocated 48 convoys.
Nagira ngo empunjo kushara mu kwegaruchiro wabo n'enshonga y'ubutagira buherezo bushemire ahabwa amakagabo.
They say they are also tired of staying in camps. Children don't go to school, food is insufficient, water is not enough, there are issues of hygiene, so they have decided to go back home.
Ogona shoborire kwa bantu mushanju nubo bari mu irwaro rya Kisoro ahabwa za bombe zabateriro mu rutaro.
Abakongo mukaga bombe zikabatero rakashatu, abana bashatu n'abantu bakuru nabo bashatu konka wenda gambe hati ya bari mu Kisoro hospital. Omuli abo bantu mushanju bana balije bakizire kandi baza kubashibula konka babiri bacyari kubi akuba omwe omusha mukuru ebome ekamushale ebyenda byona byayika then no mukazi nawe bome kamutero mugongo ya mukora kubi then olwakatano muri Busanza bome ekatero mushiki wo mukongo emyaka 14 omuguru yakola kubi nawe tumenya muki omulwaya ya Kisoro.
Okurwo kwezi kwa kashatu mwaka guguru kutandika hakabarakaho rutara hagati y'abahekera hamwe n'engabo za Kongo ecyasigira abantu bari kurenga emitwaro 8 bari kuhunjira mu Uganda. Abahekera bakwasire Bunagana Town, Busanza, Ruchuru, Chiwanja hamwe n'emyanya ndije mukuru muri Eastern DRC. Gashaka keta tuzarirwe.